Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device and where you want messages stored. Once done, pick cloud storage or local export so you control retention and encryption. Install a reputable SMS backup app or enable the phone's native backup settings. This ensures compatibility. Make sure the app has permissions for SMS, contacts, and storage. Without them, the process fails. Begin the first export immediately to create a baseline. While it runs, note file format and encryption options so future restores are straightforward. Now configure the export details, choose full archive or selected conversations, and whether to include MMS and attachments. Once configured, set an automated schedule for incremental backups to avoid large transfers later. Make sure to enable encryption and set a strong password to protect content in transit and at rest. Test by exporting a single thread to your chosen destination and verify the file integrity. If the test is good, start the full export and monitor progress for errors or permission prompts. Finish by verifying the backup. Open the exported file or restore a small set to confirm readability. Once confirmed, practice a full restore on a test device or local environment so you understand timing and requirements. Make sure you keep encryption keys or passwords stored safely. If something goes wrong, check permissions first, then available storage and any conflicting apps that intercept SMS. Finally, retry the export after resolving issues. Repeated, verified backups prevent data loss and give you confidence in recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.